It's Friday evening, September 12th, and I just got done eating dinner, and I am gonna go hoteling. We're gonna start off with these two cool rides here. Everyone's in town for Holley MoParty 2025 here in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and the show's over at Beach Bend Raceway. So I'm hoping to see some cool hot rods. That's where I'm staying at, the Drury, there for the whole weekend. Well, here comes a few more cars. Cool. They're going to start rolling in. Everyone's out eating dinner or just getting done eating dinner. Let's see what we can find. He may be in town for the show. I don't know. There's a bunch of challengers at the show. Dig the Swinger. Nice car. GTS. I always like these cars. That hood is cool too. Always like that hood on them. A couple more Challengers. I guess I missed out on the cool burnout. Man, that sucker's long. Keeps on going and going and going. That was a good one. Yeah, I definitely missed out on that. Oh, Little Red Express. Another Challenger. Oh yeah, he's been at the drag strip. Look at all the rubber in the back. Yeah, that's cool. Gotta love it. He's at Olive Garden. Alright, we're at the Holiday Inn Express. We'll see what's over here now. Got a Challenger. I like how he put the script right there. Looks good. Coronet. Man, looks like an old stock Dodge truck. I didn't see this one at the show. Interesting. Good looking 66 Chrysler. Man, this is pretty. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Fine. This is real pretty. Wow, that's nice. Good looking car. White guts, white top. Pretty blue. Look at the taillights on this bad boy. It's pretty. Did you guys run it today? Did you do good?
That's good, alright.
Yeah, that's good.
Better than we thought it was.
You're not going home already, are you?
No.
Okay.
Now we got to put a cover on it and get the dirt off and get the cover.
Yep, heading back tomorrow. Gonna be there Sunday too?
We'll see.
Yeah, alrighty.
See how cooked we are tomorrow.
Interesting wrap. It's real interesting. Huh. It's amazing what you can do with wraps now. Very interesting. There's a good concept right there. A lot of people have asked, you know, is the newer Challengers really different than the old ones? Well, just in the hood alone, you can see, obviously the hood on the new ones are stubbier. Hoods on the 70 through 74s are a lot longer. The trunk lids on the Challenger is more stubby, so it's going to be more in line. Obviously the quarter is a lot taller, but your trunk lids are basically about the same. Of course, the trunk lid on the older Challenger dips down where this one really doesn't. But there's a good chance to see the old versus new. We don't see many all white Challengers. We'll kind of compare the front ends. There you go. Good comparison right there. Pretty interior, no console, got your shifter. Very pretty car. Very pretty car. See the Drury all the way over there across the highway? That's where I just come from. That's where I'm staying. Sun's starting to set. Sun's still beating high on that, but we are at the Hampton Inn now, which is right next door to the Holiday Inn Express. And come across another Challenger with a Go Wing. Yeah, there's a few rolling in. Sun's setting so fast, I wanted to get these pics in and get a walk in before it gets dark. A lot of them are just now rolling in. Let's group of them together. And an all black Challenger. Alright, we're at the Red Roof Inn. Yeah, everyone's still out. The hotel parking lots are still kind of empty. Find a few cars here, a few cars there. Now we're over at the Courtyard Marriott, or Courtyard Inn and Suites, whatever you want to call it. we come across a gasser digging the paint job on the roof, the lace. And I didn't see this at the show either. Oh wow, can't wait to see that tomorrow when the sun's popping on it. How cool is that? Man, I dig this. Yeah. Holley MoParty 2025. Here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. And the show is at Beach Bend Raceway. See how pretty the sky is up there, over there? That's where the sun's setting. It's gonna be completely dark here in probably 20 minutes. I like that. I like it. Let me know down below if you're a gasser guy or not. We're over at Candlewood Sweets. And all the parking lights, or parking lot lights, just come on. Pretty Charger, absolutely gorgeous. I always like these gas filler caps. Click that, pops up, filled with gas, very cool. This is an SE special edition. Steel wheels, caps, gorgeous. Found a couple cars at a restaurant here at Drake's, which is right here by the hotels. Yeah, everyone's still out eating and stuff.
Small block crap. I've seen one of those before.
It's all right.
Jason?
No, he don't want a picture of Jason.
I don't know about. How do you know? You didn't even ask him.
Sir, did you want a picture of him?
I did.
I'm sorry. Go
And you
ahead.
moved them.
You read it.
I know.
Go ahead, sir. I'm sorry.
Tell you what, that Drake's restaurant looks happening. Instead of windows going all the way across, that's all screened. So it's kind of like open to the air, but in screen, it's all screened in. Mopar. This one's over at, I can never pronounce the name of that. Chewy's Mexican food. Hey, that's not a Mopar. That's a Chevelle. What's that doing here? Challenger over at IHOP. Back to the Drury Inn where I'm staying all weekend. Actually, this is where I started too. Tell you what, Outback is right next door to the Drury, and I've already ate dinner. Man, that Outback is smelling good. Little bird's eye view from the 5th floor at the Drury Inn. Straight over there, we see the Hampton Inn sign, which is kind of towards the left. Was over there. Holiday Inn Express. Yes, crossed all that traffic too. And it was busy when I crossed. And then a bunch of hotels over to the right of me here, which would have been to the left as I was coming back. Sorry there wasn't that many cars tonight, but everyone's still out for dinner and running around. See you guys on the next video on Throttle Power.